G'day guys, Robbo here again. Welcome to another food video. In this video I've been to McDonald's, but more specifically to their McCafe section, and I've got in this bag the 3 new McPops. They come in chocolate, Biscoff and berry flavour, and we're going to start off with the berry one. Here it is here. Quite small. Not much bigger than a 50-cent piece. But you can see the pinkish colouring there with the sugar over the top. And I believe there's a raspberry puree inside, so let's bite in and have a look. Yep. Very nice. And it does taste good too. Typical donut flavour on the outside. Very sweet raspberry puree inside. And you definitely get the taste of that sugar on the outside too. Yeah. They're not the most exciting donut flavour. The sugar overpowers it a little bit. But I really like the inside, the raspberry puree. I love sweet stuff, so yeah, the puree on the inside was really nice. They're $1.50 each as well, by the way. So if you get all 3, it's $4.50. And for the Biscoff one, donut on the outside, the sugar over the top, and Biscoff inside. Once again, very strong Biscoff flavour. Plenty of Biscoff in this one too. I think there's more Biscoff than there was raspberry puree in the other one. So if you like Biscoff, you really like these. But once again, a very sugary donut on the outside. Chocolate one. This one's got cocoa on the outside, so won't get the overpowering sugar flavour in this one, I don't think. Decent amount of chocolate in there. Tastes like the gooey chocolate icing that you get on top of a chocolate cake. Very nice. It did have a little bit of sugar on it because it was in with the other ones, but That's alright. It definitely tastes the cocoa on the outside. So what do I think of them? $1.50. They're a bit bigger than a 50-cent piece. A little bit bigger as far as the width is concerned. Yeah, I don't know, I'll give them a, oh geez, I was really happy to give them a 10 out of 10 for the size, but I don't think I can. I'll give them a 9. They're a bit smaller than I thought they were going to be. That's alright. I mean, I was hoping for bigger ones because I like sweet stuff. But yeah, I'll give them a 9 out of 10. I don't think they deserve a 10. For the taste, okay, so we'll do them individually. Raspberry one, fantastic. Very strong raspberry berry flavour. So for the berry McPop, I'll give that a 10 out of 10. And you know what, I'm going to give them all 10 out of 10. I won't do them individually because they all deserve 10 out of 10. They're all really nice. The only thing that took away from the Biscoff one and the berry one was the sugar. Actually, you know what I'll do? No, I'm going to do this. For the chocolate one, 10 out of 10. For the berry one and the Biscoff one, 9.5. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah. So, here's your final scores. Yeah, I think that's more deserving. But let me know what you guys think in the comments if you've had them. They only came out yesterday. But I'm sure a lot of you have already been in to try them if you're into fast food. Well, that's going to do it for this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Almost at 1,000 guys. Getting very close. Share out the video. Get my videos out to as many people as possible if you can. I need to work on my watch hours, so if you can also go and watch a few other videos, that'd be great. And send a super thanks if you'd like to support future food videos. All money goes back into the channel. And also in the future I'm going to be helping out people in need with money I make as well. So if you'd like to help out people in need, or if you'd like to support this channel with food reviews, please send super thanks donations, or you can become a member for $5.99 a month. Gives you a few perks on the channel. And I have to say a big thanks to Maximano, Rolfus and Carl Decker for your memberships. Very much appreciated. But that's going to do it, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.